Alright, so this is what I think it means to evolve. I think it means evolving from a singularity of heaven to a one-dimensional line of heaven, and here's how. Okay, so all of this, creating free energy, okay, is evolving, okay? So now read it backwards, okay? Evolve, when read backwards, is Evlove. E is the fifth letter, V is 5 in Roman numerals, okay? It's a 5, but different than this 5. Okay, they're both V's, but one's a little bit different than the other one. Okay, and then we're left with love. These are our clues. Okay, so if we draw a V going from, let's say, this node across the shared node, and then this node across the shared node, those would be your two V's. You know, or 7s or L's. You know what I'm saying, guys? Now, because there's 1 and 2 on the bottom, I think what would happen is that they would attract each other downward, eventually converging, making a V, 1V, and then the two that are sticking up here will come down and meet and make a heart. Now, I don't know where it's going to make the heart, but it's going to make a heart. Okay, conversely, the one going from here to here and here to here is going to do an upside down heart, so that's going to become balance, guys. Okay, you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 lumps and 2 V's, okay? A 33. And an X, guys. So, that's going to happen on the X-axis as well as the Y-axis to create a balance, a beam, a one-dimensional line of energy, guys. Okay? That's evolving. Okay? Now, anyway. Yeah, I don't know what to do here. Okay, so remember this diagram, guys? This diagram, okay? That's the double helix, guys, okay? It's our DNA, guys, okay? Now, that's a sine wave. A sine wave starts at 0, okay? It intersects at 0 at pi, and again at 2 pi, okay? Thus creating a sine wave. Okay, you track something like a bit different, you get the elliptical, the 8, okay? That's not really there, okay? There's not really a node here, guys. I don't know why I did that. And here either. It's your fly speck, guys, okay? This is your fly speck. But when you evolve, okay, from a 0th dimensional singularity to a one-dimensional line of heaven, okay, you're going from the division between the feminine and the masculine to becoming one with the feminine and masculine. Because see how this right here, guys, this 69, it'll be cut in half, guys. But that singularity is infinite in both microscopic and macroscopic. So it'll create a singularity up here and a singularity down here. One-dimensional line, when we become one. And I think when that happens, guys, that's when pole shift happens, okay? That's when, see this green line? That's your sine wave going at 0, pi, 2 pi. And we're going to go to a cosine wave, which starts at 1. It's going to go to 0. At Orion's belt, it's going to go to -1. And then back up to like under Aquarius, because it's the age of Aquarius, guys, right here, the little sperm guy. And then it's going to go up through Ophiuchus, okay? And go right past Wormwood, or Morwin-Yon. Worm plus wood equals Morwin-Yon. And then back to +1. Okay? Evolve. It's free energy, guys. It's, like I said, looking at a 0th dimensional singularity a different way. From a different point of view. And isn't it crazy, guys? Like, look. Now, we have down here with Evlove, okay, we have a 5 which is a number and a 5 which is a letter, okay? So 5 star and a 5, okay? Now, numbers and letters, guys. Okay, well, look, we have a wheel, a circumference, or a depiction of circumference of 26. We have 26 letters in our alphabet from A to Z, okay? And 25 is a 2 and a 5, which is a 7, okay? That's an 8, but that's infinite, guys. Anyways, we only have 7 numbers, okay? Because 0 and 1 are not numbers. They're the building blocks of the third dimension, okay? The third dimension, you know, the 100, guys. You know, the C. The building blocks of the third dimension. You know, the 3D, the CD, guys. They're the building blocks of everything in the third dimension. Our only numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And the most powerful number is the number 9. It's balance, guys. 9s cancel, okay? So you have 7 numbers, guys. So that's very interesting. And when you look at the circles, look at this, okay? You know, the diameter, the diameter of the circle here, the big one, is 996. So 99, the most powerful number, and the most powerful number is at balance with itself upside down. Interesting. Now the blue coil is 828. Hey, look, it's the highest number, the lowest number, and the highest number. And this is greater than the red coil, okay, which is 796, which is the second highest number, the most powerful number, followed by the third highest number. Now, you know, this is like bronze, silver, gold, guys. You know, I don't know if it's bronze or if it's copper. I don't know. I don't know if it's a B or a C, guys. But it's one of those two, okay? Isn't that interesting? So, we gotta do stuff, guys. We gotta become one and everything. Cheers.